Alma of CrawlQ AI, and today I want to answer the frequently asked question: how do I know if I have the CrawlQ AI LLM add-on active on my account? So, it's very simple. So if you don't have an active add-on in your account, it will show you this. You will see that there is a lock beside GPT-4, Gemini, Claude 3, and DALL-E 3. And if you have the add-on activated, this is what you get. You have everything without lock, so you can choose GPT-4, or you can choose Gemini, or you can choose Claude 3, and you can turn on DALL-E 3 on and off. So there you have it. This is how you find out if you have CrawlQ AI LLM Pro add-on. See you next time.